Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 11. Thank you for the appreciation for this presentation. I'm very glad to see you all, whoever listening to this presentation. And first of all, let me introduce myself and my partners. My name is Nugroho Wisnu Saputro as moderator and presenter. Myself is Will present slide 8. Present slide 4 and slide 9. And then is Muhammad Iqbal Awaluda as the second presenter. He will present slide 5 and slide 10. And Dewa Kabalme as the third presenter. He will present slide 6. And the last one is Ganim Ramadan as the fourth presenter. He will present slide 7. In this presentation, we will discuss about cloud computing, which will be explained in more detail by my friends and I. For the first presentation, Krishna, please get started.
I will explain about the following material. Cloud computing is a model that allows for ubiquitous or anywhere and anytime on-demand network access to computer resource or a G network servers, storage, applications, and service that can be quickly released or added. Me and Grants 2012. Cloud computing is the next evolution of the internet. Cloud computing is a provider of things related to computing power to computing infrastructure, application, business processes to collaboration, which appears as service that can be accessed when needed anytime and anywhere. Cloud computing as an information technology service that can be utilized by users on a network or internet basis, where a resource, software, information, and application are provided for the by other computer is needed. Cloud computing is a way to increase capacity or add capabilities on the fly without adding new infrastructure investment, training new staff, or licensing new software. Cloud computing technology stores our data on an internet servers, as well as application or software in general that our users need are on the server's computer. User must be connected to the internet to be able to access and run application on the server. Okay, the presentation was continued by Iqbal.
Type and level of cloud computing based service. A. Software as a service or SaaS. Software as a service is a cloud computing service where user can directly use the application provided. User who use the SaaS service only need application that can connect user to existing internet application. Some example of popular SaaS can connect user to service are Gmail, Google, and Google Apps. SaaS can have many advantages, one of which is the user do not need to purchase a license to access the application. A report published by Microsoft Corporation emphasizes one of the greatest benefits of using SaaS service is a cheaper initial investment in software and hardware. Yeah. Next.
As a service. Platform as a service is a service that provides a computing platform, usually in the form of application design, trial, process, and deployment and hosting. This service allow users to build an application from hardware virtualization, data data redundancy, and high availability data. After construction is complete, application can be sent over the internet. The advantage of this service in that user can focus more on developing application without paying for maintenance of the computing platform. Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure, Salesforce.com are example of PaaS service. Next.
Yeah. Now I will explain about IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. Infrastructure as a Service is a form of cloud computing that provides virtualized computing resources. IaaS is one of the three main categories of cloud computing service, alongside software as a service and platform as a service. In the IaaS model, the cloud provides managed IT infrastructure such as storage, server, and networking resources, and delivers them to subscriber organization via virtual machine accessible through the internet. IaaS can have many benefits for organizations, such as potentially making workloads faster, easier, more flexible, and more cost efficient. There is also IaaS in architecture. In IaaS service model, a cloud provider has the infrastructure components that are traditionally present in on-premise data center. This includes server, storage, and networking hardware, as well as the virtualization or hypervisor layer. IaaS provide also supply a range of services to accompany these infrastructure components. This can include the following: detailed billing, monitoring, log access, security, load balancing, clustering, and storage resiliency, such as backup, replication, and recovery. These services are increasingly policy-driven, enabling IaaS users to implement greater level of automation and orchestration for important infrastructure tasks. For example, a user can implement policies to drive load balancing to maintain application availability and performance. Thank you. The next topic.
Slide 8 about cloud computing characteristic. The first one is on-demand service, self-service. In it is one of the significant and essential features of cloud computing. It enables the client to constantly monitor the server uptime, abilities, and allot network storage. This is fundamental characteristics of cloud computing, and its client can likewise control the computing abilities as per his need. The second one is broad network access. A big part of the cloud characteristic is its ubiquity. The client can access the cloud data or transfer the data to the cloud from any place just with a device and internet connection. These capacities are accessible everywhere in the organization and get to with the help of the internet. Cloud providers have that patch network access, monitoring and guaranteeing different measurements that reflect how clients access cloud resource and data, like latency, access time, data throughput. The third one is resource pooling. Resource pooling is the one of essential characteristic of cloud computing. Resource poolings mean that a cloud service provider can share resources among several clients, providing everyone with the different set of service as per their requirements. It is multi-client strategy that can be applied to data storage service, processing service, and bandwidth provide service. The administration process of allocating resource in real time doesn't conflict with the client's experience. The fourth one is rapid elasticity. A key characteristic and benefit of cloud computing is its rapid scalability. This cloud characteristic enable cost-effective running workloads that require a vast number of servers, but only for a short period. Many clients have such workloads which can be run very cost effectively because of the rapid scalability of cloud computing. The last one is measured service. Reporting service are one of the many cloud characteristics that make it the best choice for organization. Measuring and reporting service is helpful for both cloud providers and their clients. It enables both the provider and the clients to monitor and report what service have been used and for what purpose. This helps in monitoring, billing, and measuring and ensuring the optimum usage resource. And then next is Krishna Abdi, slide 9. Please get started.
Cloud computing for IAN models. According to the National Institute of Standard and Technology, or NIST, the cloud computing development models is described as follows. Cloud computing model. A. Private cloud. Cloud infrastructure that is provided specifically for use by a single organization that consists of several business units. Private cloud is owned, managed, and operated by organizations, third parties, or a combination of both, and can be in the same place or different. B. Community cloud. Cloud infrastructure provided specifically for use by a specific community of organizations that have common interests. Community cloud is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community, third parties, or a combination of both, and can be in the same place or different. C. Public cloud. Infrastructure provided openly for use by the general public. The public cloud is owned, managed, and operated by corporate, academic, or government organization, or a combination of these. The public cloud is in a place determined by the cloud service provider. B. Hybrid cloud. A cloud infrastructure consisting of two or more different cloud infrastructure, or private, community, or public, that remain unique but are tied to technology standard or patents that allow portability of data and applications. Next, Iqbal.
Okay. Cloud computing components. There are several components used in implementing cloud computing, which are as follows. A. Cloud client. Cloud client are a set of computer of software designed specifically for the use of cloud computing-based service. Mobile, Windows Mobile, Symbian, and others. Then client, Windows Terminal, Service, Cherrypal, and others. This client, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, and others. B. Cloud service. Cloud service are product service and solution that are deployed and delivered in real time via the internet. The most popular Identity, OpenID, OAuth, and others. Integration, Amazon Simple Query Service, Payment, PayPal, Google Checkout, Mapping, Google Map, Yahoo Maps. C. Cloud application. Cloud application take advantage of cloud computing in software as architecture, so that user do not need to install and run application using a computer. Peer-to-peer, BitTorrent, SATE, and others. Web application, Facebook, SaaS, Google Apps, Salesforce.com, and others. D. Cloud platform. Cloud platform is a service in the form of a computing platform that contains hardware and infrastructure software, usually have certain business application and use PaaS service as the infrastructure for application. Web application frameworks, Python Django, Ruby on Rails, Net2, web hosting, proprietary Force.com. A. Cloud storage. Cloud storage involves the process of delivering data storage as a service, database, Google Bigtable, Amazon SimpleDB, network attached storage, Nirvanix, Cloud NAS, MobileMe, IDs. F. Cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure is the delivery of computing infrastructure as a service. Grid computing, Sun Grid. Full virtualization, Google SkyTab, Computer, Amazon Elastic Computer Cloud. Next, moderator.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much for the appreciation and the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.